Hi, everybody. I'm leaving this message because I have an announcement to make, and I'm kind of humbled by it. I just wanted to make kind of a personal message to tell you that I wrote a book. I wrote a book. It's called The Disc Repair Blueprint. And why the heck did I write a book? Well, for people that know me, they know I'm a chiropractor of now 30 years. I have a great, wonderful practice filled with lovely people, lots of moms, lots of babies. And I was seeing this population of people that are my age suffering from things that chiropractic was helping with tremendously, but not all the way. And so I went looking and landed on something that I had thought about investing in many, many years ago, and I just didn't. And so I did an investment to help people heal disc injuries, and even more importantly, disc arthritis, the narrowing of the disc, and that narrowing of the disc that causes the nerves to get pinched and causes sciatica and neuropathies and chronic pain. And I thought, well, this will be nice. This will help some people. And I was blown away. I've had it in my office for a year, and I'm just blown away at the effectiveness of it, how well it fits in with what I do. It's another way to get movement in the spine in a way that just all the other ways of chiropractic that I offer in my clinic just weren't getting at. And so it's called non-surgical spinal decompression. It's a computerized machine and table that has different algorithms to help traction the discs in your neck or in your lower back, to help relieve the pressure on those discs are putting on the nerves in between. So, so many people I know have had surgery for this, and only to have the problem come back, sometimes quickly, sometimes it's taken some years, but it comes back, and sometimes with a vengeance. And my window of helping people becomes less and less the more surgeries people have. And so offering this cutting edge solution that, even though it hasn't been, it's not new, but just for whatever reason, people don't know about it. It's not talked about. It's not, it's just not, a lot of people I know have it in their clinics. It's just they haven't leaned into it the way I feel like we've leaned into it and really gotten some amazing results. So the book's title is The Disc Repair Blueprint, and the subtitle says it all: a plan to overcome spinal pain through cutting-edge technology and old-school wisdom, no surgery required. So I'm not saying you don't need chiropractic. In fact, with my partnership with Curus, it's, chiropractic, and in that, the non-surgical spinal decompression, is another way that we help relieve that nerve pressure and nerve irritation. Chiropractors call it a subluxation. Nutrition, I have conversations about the proper nutrition to help those discs fully get the most out of the commitment to that therapy. We talk about exercise, and then we also talk about mental health, because most people that I see are in chronic pain. And so after 30 days of chronic pain, there is a neurologic, mental, emotional component. And so in Curious, we talk about all of the parts of the triangle, and that's what I discuss in my book. Another reason that I wrote the book is because of the opiate problem. I have a friend that had a back injury it was something that she went to a medical doctor. She went and had surgery. They gave her a bottle of OxyContin this big, and it got her. You know, that stuff is super addictive, and you don't have to want, or people will say, well, I won't get addicted. Sometimes it takes you, that addiction, and it did for her. And so, and she died. And so that is a stark example, but not uncommon example of, you know, pain relieving measures that are used. So if I can find a way to help, to find a way to get some relief for these really long-standing chronic conditions, or, you know, the really boom acute disc herniations, disc slips, the, you know, ruptured discs, those are, you know, something that happens, boom, you know what I mean? We're talking about that, but we're also talking about the ones that are just the slow, decade-long decline. Anyway, I hope that you check it out. It's in the Amazon store today, and you can buy it on Kindle and on paperback, analog. And I'd really appreciate it. Give it to somebody that you know needs it. So thank you guys so much for listening.